Hi children, this is Coach John from Learning Out of the Box. And thank you so much for watching this channel. Okay, so right now what we're going to do is we'll quickly read through the question and then make sure that you are able to identify some of the keywords. Yeah. Okay, so we have a logo and then you have three small identical quarter circles, which means that the radius here are all the same. Then a large quarter circle, which is over here, okay, over here, and then you have two straight lines, left to right and top to bottom. Okay, and then inside a square of 42 cm, which also means that over here is 42 cm as well. Okay, so find the parameter of the shaded part. Okay, so meaning that it's over here, plus here, plus here, plus here. Okay, so let's do one step at a time. Okay, let's find the red line, okay? Okay, so what we have here for the red line will be, you need to find the radius. Okay, so what's the radius? Okay, so what is the radius? And the radius of each small circle is actually given is 14 cm. Yeah, so which also means that this part is 14. This part is 14. This part is 14. Okay, so total will be how much? 28. Okay, so anyway, let's do one step at a time. And then in this case, for part A, we'll have three quarters, three quadrants. Okay, so 14, and that's 3/4 times pi 2 pi r or pi d. So pi d, so 2 times 14 is 28. And then you do your simplification, and then tada, 66 cm, even without using calculator. Yeah, that's a beauty. That's why I like when we have pi in fraction, because it's easy to cancel off, and they'll give you numbers that allow you that to cancel off. Okay. Okay. So having said that, you also need to look at the other bigger quadrant. So I'm going to use blue line, blue ink. Okay. So we have what is this? Yeah. So this part is actually. Okay, so this part is 14, and then 28 minus 14, your quadrant is actually, what's 14? What is 42 minus 14? Okay, so let me just quickly punch it into my calculator, and that is 28 cm, okay? Okay, so having said that, the one big quadrant, that's an arc of 28, is 1/4 times pi d. So 2 times 28 is 56. Yeah, so you have cancellation. Okay, it's 44 cm. Okay, then again, let's not forget that you have this part, okay, which is 42 minus 28. There's 14 here, okay, and here is 14 as well. All right, so the parameter will be 66 plus 44, okay, plus 214, and you have 138 cm. Okay, so that's it for part A. Now, what about the shaded parts? Okay, so let's find the three quadrants, which is 14. So you have pi r square, so pi r square. Okay, so if you want to speed up, there will be 462 cm square. Okay, and then the other one, which is this little finny. Yeah, this fin over here. Okay, over here. Okay, so what you have is actually like this. Okay, like a boomerang. Yeah. So you have the square, which is 28 times 28. No, is it? Yeah, 28 times 28. Yeah. For a moment, I forgot that is actually the radius is the same, right? So minus of 1/4 pi r square. Yeah. And then if you punch into your calculator, you'll be 784 minus of 616. And then that will give you the final answer of 168 cm square. Yeah, so having done this, you don't stop here. You find the total area of the shaded part, which is 462 plus 168, which is 630 cm square. All right, so with this, the takeaway for here will be when I see pi is 22/7, I will take it as the radius is divisible by 7, yeah, which allows fast cancellation, which also allows you to get the answer fast. Yeah, then second takeaway for you should be, while this one is an odd shape, you want to do step by step. Yeah, so since you can see from a glance, it's actually made out of 3 quadrants. So find the 3 quadrants first, which is the same step for both A and B. And then you find the smaller one, yeah, and then you add them together. Yeah, and then for parameter, it's very important to make sure that you don't miss out all these straight lines. Okay, so with this, if you know of anyone who can benefit from this video, please make sure that you send this to him or her so that the PSLE journey can be a more joyful one. And I'll see you around. Take care, and I'll see you around in the Facebook group. All right, bye.